Listeners, today we will be talking about the problems of carbon monoxide.
And since we are way too lazy, we are going to do what Mr. Sue told us not to do.
So here's a slideshow about all the boring stuff on the bad stuff, you know what I'm saying? There's combustion and other reactions such as that, and complete combustion, there's
A few inches later.
incomplete combustion, there's regular combustion, all that. Wait, Philippe, wake up, stop dreaming about the calories.
Sorry.
Wait, there's something wrong.
Why are the lights flickering? This is crazy.
I had no idea what just happened, but hold on, give me the camera. What are you doing, Philippe? Is he seriously crying right now?
We are taking this over now. Carbon monoxide is not that bad.
What they were saying is useless. You want carbon monoxide. Trust us.
I'm new here. Why?
Well, let's ask the screen.
Wait, who?
Hello, I'm here to show that you do want carbon monoxide for our plan.
But first, how do you get it?
I'm glad you asked. Carbon monoxide is formed by incomplete combustion of fuels and is produced whenever a material burns.
And how does this affect humans and why should they get it?
People exposed to high levels of carbon monoxide poisoning can die. The carbon monoxide takes the oxygen bond with the hemoglobin in the blood. This tricks the body into thinking the body has enough oxygen, while it actually has none, essentially starving the body of oxygen.
And it's easy to get into homes, as carbon monoxide is also colorless, odorless, and tasteless, so there's no detecting it until it's too late. So, for example, carbon monoxide can build up when trapped indoors at home with an attached garage.
Due to the car exhaustion, the home may have a higher chance of having high levels of carbon monoxide. And if it does, you may get headaches, nausea, feel dizzy, breathless, and then you will collapse and become unconscious.
Alright, Philippe, let's go try this. Well, to be honest, I feel just fine. Philippe, how do you feel?
I feel great. I feel fine.
That's probably for the better. So clearly, there's no problem with carbon monoxide, and we need them in every house.
Doesn't sound that nice.
Shut up. It's necessary. If not enough oxygen is present for complete combustion, incomplete combustion occurs. The result of incomplete combustion is, once again, water vapor, carbon dioxide, and heat, but also provides carbon monoxide.
Yeah, and here's the formula.
Yeah. Okay, I think I'm getting it. But I still don't understand hemoglobin.
Okay, well, the hemoglobin is made from 2,932 carbons, 4,724 hydrogens, 828 nitrogens, 840 oxygens, 8 sulfurs, and 4 irons. It is a protein that attaches to oxygen and carries it through the bloodstream to every cell in the body.
This is why it is necessary. We need it. The fuel that we use is going to create it anyways, so let's stick it in people's houses. What does it sound like if we ask some people?
Who won't smoke with me? Who won't smoke? Who won't smoke with me?
Here we have a new person on the screen. It's Lucian. So you know of carbon monoxide, I assume. How do you feel about us sticking some in your house?
Well, I wouldn't really appreciate it that much.
Well, you'll love it. So, and you don't really have any choice.
What?
Bye.
My face like she ain't try to swerve me. These boys I love.
You know of carbon monoxide, I assume. Go into your garage and see if you survive.
Does it take a while to do anything?
Trust me, baby girl.
Alright.
Baby.
I'm here.
Alright, see it?
Well, actually, since it's replacing parts in the blood, it'll take a long time before.
Bye.
That's fine. You're still alive.
With those completely unedited interviews, as you can see, it's completely
You don't need the oxygen for your body. Your vital organs are stupid. Trust us. You want the carbon monoxide.
Back to life.
Well, we ran out of time because they, obviously they took over. But I guess that's it. Just don't listen to them. Do whatever they don't say. All right, we ran out of time.
Don't forget to leave a like on this video and hit